Who doesn't want to be magnetic? In today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys 3 attitudes that will make you a magnetic person. Attitude that can make you alluring, fascinating, and attractive to everyone you meet. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment your favorite tip, and share my videos with your friends. Let's get into the video. So the first one on my list is to stop caring too much. Stop paying attention to things that you cannot control. Focus more on your strengths, your accomplishments, and your goals. Focus on the things that you can control. You cannot control the future, you cannot control the past, you cannot control what people think or say about you. You can only control your thoughts, your feelings, your goals, your actions. These are the things that you can control. You need to stop caring about what people say or think about you. It's an attitude you must develop to become a magnetic person. You need to pour into yourself. I keep saying this. If you don't know your worth, if you don't have self confidence, if you don't believe in yourself, if you don't know your value, people are going to treat you like a mess. But when you know your worth, you know who you are, you understand yourself, you don't have any reason to please anyone. You are just going to live your life based on what makes you happy. Once you stop caring too much, those people that are not meant to be in your life, those people that you're forcing yourself to be around them or to have them as your friend, they are going to leave because they are not your friend. You are the one forcing everything. It doesn't make sense. People love those who love themselves. You need to love yourself. You need to pour into yourself. Stop listening to negative news and negative people. I have a dream. I have where I'm headed to. I have something I'm working on. I have life that I'm building. I don't have time for gossip. Become uninterested to things that does not relate to your future. Become uninterested to things that will distract you. This channel is all about self-love, self-improvement, knowing your worth, loving yourself. That is why I will continue to preach on here. I want you to pour into yourself. I want you to invest in yourself. Stop paying attention to things that you cannot control. Stop giving your energy to things that are beyond your control. At this age that I am, I don't think I have time to listen to what he or she is saying about me, what whoever is saying behind my back. I don't have that time. And I want you to have that attitude. Have this I don't care attitude. Have this I am not interested attitude. I am not interested in gossip. I am not interested in backbiting. I am not interested in negativity. Have this attitude. It makes you different and it scares the wrong people away. Stop spending time with people who don't align with your personality, your value, and your interest. Stop it. Spend time with people who are going the same direction with you, who have the same interest, who share the same goals. People that you can always learn from. Spending time with these people who don't share your personality can be draining and unfulfilling. It can be frustrating. Surround yourself with good people. Surround yourself with people that genuinely love you. Stop caring too much about what people are saying. Focus on yourself. Stop paying attention to people's opinion. What is important right now is what you think of yourself. Speak highly of yourself. Love yourself. Treat yourself with kindness. It makes you magnetic. Number 2 is to be creative and playful. Be friendly. Be open minded. Have an open and inviting body language. It makes you more a magnetic person. Don't be too mean. Have a sense of playfulness. Let go of your fear of failure and your need to perfection. Open your heart to attract good people. Be open minded. Be free. Be creative. Be friendly. Enjoy the process of your journey. It might be more rewarding than the destination. Understand this. When you are a creative person, you don't only attract great people or good people into your life, you also become happier. You need to be approachable. Everyone likes to be around positive, fun, and happy people. Nobody wants to be around someone that is always frowning, always sad. When you are in public or anywhere you are, don't always fold your hand as if you're the only one going through a lot. Be happy, be friendly, try something new, try something different from your usual routine. Try a new restaurant, go to the park, attend a party, have fun with people. Try striking up conversation with a stranger that you don't even know. Discuss with them. Free up your mind. There are lots of good people out there looking for who to connect with. But when you go out frowning your face, nobody will have the energy. Nobody will be motivated. Nobody will want to even come close to you. It doesn't make you magnetic. But when you're happy, when you're always smiling, when you're creative, doing something beautiful for yourself, even drawing an art or something, believe me, people want to be around you. Try it, just give it a try. When you are outside, maybe you attend a party or event or something, try being happy. Try dancing. Don't do it like too much. Just try being open. People want to associate with you. Just be creative, be happy, be loving, be sweet. That is an attitude. Be a happy girl. It attracts the right people into your life. If you want good people, sweet people to come into your life, you must be a sweet person. You must be a loving person. You must have something inside of you that will make this person want to keep coming to you. There's this attitude you can actually develop that will make people always want to help you. Yes, the way you carry yourself, the energy you move around with, it matters, is important. The last one is to be yourself. This is very important. Be real, be authentic, be true to yourself, be honest. Just be yourself. Stop apologizing for who you are and what you stand for. When you are real, you are original, you're not faking anything. Believe me, you are going to likely attract real and original people. Your authenticity, your realness will attract real and great people into your life. You want this magnetic attitude that when people see you, they want to spend on you, they want to love you up, they want to take care of you. You have to be yourself. Be real. Is that attitude. When you are yourself, people will love you like that. It doesn't matter how you look. You are too skinny, you are too fat. There is someone for you. Be comfortable in your own skin. I want you to stop giving an F and start living. Be honest with who you are and what you want in life. Just be honest about that. Be yourself. Don't go and add unnecessary weight just to please someone. Don't go and add unnecessary weight just to look like what everybody out there is looking like. Think about yourself. What makes you happy? What do you like? Let's assume there's no social media, there's no friends. What do you like? What do you stand for? What do you believe in? Find yourself. Be your authentic self. Go for the life that you want. Go get that dream job. Live your life. Love yourself. Be yourself. When you are yourself, it makes you more magnetic. When you are not faking yourself, you are true. You always appear as real as you can. People will love you. Stop sharing your dreams and your visions and your goals with people that are not going the same direction with you. Set boundaries. There is always someone for you. You just have to build your self confidence, your self esteem, believe in yourself, love yourself, pour into yourself. Be happy, be creative. Very important. Always make sure that you smile, especially when you are outside. This will make you a magnetic person. That's all. That is all you need to be magnetic. This is all I have for you today. I hope you're able to learn something today again. I love you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.